Hey guys,
it's Jossie.
Welcome to my channel if you're new. If not, wait, welcome to my channel if you're new. If not, welcome back. Yes, okay. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If not, welcome back. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along for the rest of Vlogmas and more content to come. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. So today I thought it would be fun to try a DIY hack. Not a hack, but like just a DIY project that I found on Pinterest, because all the best ideas are definitely found on Pinterest, and I'll just post it right here for you guys to see what I'm talking about. It's a DIY snow globe, and I'm so freaking excited because I tested this out a few days ago to make sure it would look cute and like work and everything, because I don't want to look stupid. It worked, it was adorable, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's just jump right in. I'm back, I'm here, I'm just gonna be, you know, standing up here. These are the supplies you are going to need. Yes, this is it. This is the whole shebang right here. That's all you need. So I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, and then I also got some other things as well. This I had at home. It's just a bowl of sugar that you'll need. Any kind of sugar will do. The rest of it I did get at Target. So these trees came in like a little set of 4, so I have one sitting over there on my counter, and these 3 and this truck were both like $3 to $4 each. I gathered some little broken pieces of like my Christmas tree decoration. And then last but not least, I have, as you can see, this very sophisticated piece of technology that requires AA batteries, which I had on file, on file, it's not on a computer, which I had on hand. It was like, let's say $6 max. I don't quite remember. So I wanted to get this to kind of create like that snow globe illusion, or that snow globe effect, if you will, that's like very magical and mystical. Those are the supplies that we need for today. I'm so excited. Let's go. Completed the DIY snow globe, and it honestly turned out better than I thought it would. And it turned out better than my practice round, which also surprises me too. So that's awesome. I showed you the finished project. I just want to stare at it again. Look how cute! It's adorable. I really couldn't be more proud of it. Follow along for what I'm going to be doing on day 3, that's 6, day 3 of Vlogmas, and I really hope you like and subscribe. But I'm not gonna ask for a like and a subscribe. But if you did, that would be cool. But I'm not that kind of person, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys later. Happy Vlogmas!